Dana, good morning.
Good morning, Bill.
It's good to see you. We've been working together for the better part of about 14, 15 years now.
Yes, I know. I can't believe it.
But the trade show has been such an important part of what we do, and as we go forward with the new MAX program, what we're calling MAX is the Manufacturing and Automation Exchange. We're not even calling it a trade show anymore. We're calling it Exchange. Now we're thinking about whole new things, and we're doing it entirely differently. That's kind of fun, isn't it?
Oh, it is so fun, and I'm having a great time, like reinventing what we call a trade show. It is going to be exciting to introduce new learning hubs on the show floor. We are learning and always getting feedback from our audience, and this is what they want, so we're doing our best to give it to them.
We're going to deliver it. That's right. And we're going to do our best, right? That's right. Well, a lot of the guys here do talk about it often, about how wonderful the facilitation of the show is. We constantly have networking opportunities available. There's constantly events happening within the event. In the spring, we get to catch up with everyone and see what's happening in the industry. It's truly been a thing where a lot of these folks end up being partners and working together. And that's what MAX will lead them to. We're going to have the ability to allow them to work more together as a networking presentation to the community. The industry connecting with the user in a different way, one-on-one, face-to-face, hands-on, more integrated. That's all part of that story.
Right, it's not an intimidating environment. See old friends, but also meet new people in an inviting way.
Well, you can be sure that Assembly and all the crew, the editors, all of the staff, everybody involved, we're going to do everything we can to make the show special. And we invite everyone to connect with us outside of the trade shows, connect with our content, be a part of what we're doing, and learn and grow with us, become a part of the community with us.
Right.
And they're all invited.